Alright, as you can see, the driver's side lock on my car, driver's side, is jammed, and it's been that way for I don't know how long, months. Now, I read that graphite spray might help lubricate something that's jammed in there, and that also that you can just use a pencil to do the same thing. So, got a mechanical pencil because there's graphite in there. Damn it. How do I make sure that graphite actually goes in? But I read that you can stick the lead and graphite of the pencil in there, not use WD-40 at first, because that will like, you know, get dirt and like attract dirt, and it'll like harden and shit or whatever. Let's see if just crunch up the graphite that goes in there by moving the key back and forth. Ooh. Nope, that didn't do it. I'll try that a little more, because that at least, like, I could feel the graphite in there. There, broke it off in there, good. Nothing. Let's see. Okay. Try it one more time, and then just okay, bunch of graphite in there. Okay, so the problem's worse than just fixing this motherfucking thing with graphite. Damn. Fuck. Fuck off, Paul. Damn. Alright. This means I have to probably just go to a body shop or something. Shit.